Today, we're diving into some serious Canon rumors. We're talking about a potential game changer, the EOS R1X, a camera that's whispered to be addressing the perceived shortcomings of the EOS R1. And let me tell you, these leaks are, well, they're insane. We're here to break down the latest camera buzz, and today it's all about Canon. We're talking about a camera that could redefine what a flagship mirrorless can be. So let's get into it. First up, design. Now, don't expect anything too radical. Canon's likely sticking with the R1's design language. It got good feedback for its ergonomics and build quality, so why mess with a winning formula? We're talking robust weather sealing, familiar controls, maybe that customizable smart controller, and that 9.44 million dot OLED viewfinder? Yeah, that's probably sticking around too. It's all about familiarity and refinement. But here's where things get wild. The sensor. We're hearing 80 megapixels? 80! And get this, a potential global shutter. That's unheard of in a full-frame camera. This combo would be a game changer for photographers who need insane detail and flexibility. We're also hearing about advanced AI capabilities, improved dynamic range, and even built-in ND filters. If these rumors are true, the R1X could be a powerhouse, outperforming the competition in resolution and cutting-edge features. Image and video performance? Let's talk about it. That 80 megapixel sensor? That's a huge jump from the R1's 24 megapixels. We're talking stunning detail and greater cropping flexibility. And finally, an 8K video. That's right, 8K. Addressing another major complaint about the R1. And if those rumors about improved dynamic range and a global shutter are true, we're talking superior performance in challenging lighting and when capturing fast-moving subjects. This is the flagship performance many felt the R1 was missing. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, pricing. Given these rumored specs, it's safe to say the R1X won't be cheap. We're probably looking at a price tag that exceeds the R1's $6,299. This is a camera for professionals who demand the best. And the release date? Early rumors suggest a development announcement in mid-2025, with the camera hitting shelves a few months later. But these are just rumors, folks. The R1X is shaping up to be an exciting camera. If the rumors are true, it could be the true flagship many have been waiting for. That 80 megapixel sensor, 8K video, global shutter, it's all very impressive. And it could position Canon at the forefront of professional camera technology. But remember, these are just rumors. We'll have to wait and see what Canon officially announces. But if even half of these leaks are true, the R1X could be a game changer. What do you guys think? Are you excited for the Canon EOS R1X? Do you think it's going to live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments. Grab your favorite drink and settle in, because we're diving into the buzz around the Canon EOS R3 Mark II. Rumors and leaks are swirling, and if you thought the original R3 was a game changer, the Mark II might just redefine the game. Expect major upgrades in sensor tech, video performance, connectivity, and battery life. Could this be Canon's ultimate professional mirrorless camera? Let's break it down. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of the leaks, let's just take a moment to remember the original R3. When it launched, it redefined professional mirrorless cameras, becoming a favorite for sports, wildlife, and video pros. But technology evolves, and users have been demanding more. Higher resolution, better autofocus, improved video, and enhanced connectivity. According to trusted sources, Canon has been listening. So, let's dive into the top 5 upgrades that could make the EOS R3 Mark II the ultimate pro mirrorless camera. First up, the sensor. The original R3's 24 megapixel sensor delivered stunning quality and speed, but many pros wanted higher resolution to compete with the Sony A1 and Nikon Z9. Well, it looks like Canon is pushing the boundaries with the R3 Mark II. Our sources suggest that this new model will feature a completely redesigned sensor, possibly exceeding 30 megapixels, without compromising the lightning-fast readout speeds that made the original R3 so special. But here's where things get really interesting. we're hearing whispers about Canon implementing a global shutter. Yes, you heard that right. A global shutter would eliminate rolling shutter and provide instant readout, making it an absolute game changer for sports and action photographers. If these rumors prove true, this could be one of the most significant advancements in mirrorless sensor technology. Additionally, we're hearing that Canon's new sensor technology might offer up to 2 additional stops of dynamic range, making it even more powerful in challenging lighting conditions. If true, this could revolutionize low-light photography, providing better highlight and shadow detail than ever before. Moving on to video, the Canon EOS R3 was already a solid option for filmmakers, but the Mark II is rumored to take things even further. According to sources, Canon is unlocking 8K 60 frames per second raw video recording. That's right, 8K at 60 frames per second, a major upgrade from the original EOS R3's 8K 30 frames per second. This is a huge deal for videographers, especially considering how Canon plans to tackle heat management. Remember the overheating issues in some previous Canon cameras? Our sources say Canon has developed a brand new cooling system that will allow longer recording times at these high resolutions. Some rumors even suggest unlimited 8K recording, which would be a huge leap forward. On top of that, we're hearing about improved autofocus in video mode. Canon is rumored to be integrating advanced AI-powered subject tracking, allowing the camera to predict movement before it happens. This could be a game changer for sports, wildlife, and documentary filmmakers who rely on precise autofocus. Now, Canon nailed the design and ergonomics of the original EOS R3, so we're not expecting drastic changes. However, rumors suggest that the Mark II will feature subtle refinements that make it even better. We could see a slightly improved grip, better button layout, and enhanced weather sealing. These may seem like minor tweaks, but for professionals who spend hours holding their camera, even small ergonomic improvements can make a big difference. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is in storage and connectivity. Canon is said to be equipping the EOS R3 Mark II with dual CF Express Type B card slots. This is great news for professionals, offering both speed and redundancy. Additionally, the Mark II could feature even faster transfer speeds, potentially allowing for 1,000 megabytes per second write speeds. This is critical for photographers shooting high-resolution bursts or videographers capturing 8K raw footage. For connectivity, we're hearing that Canon is adding Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. What does this mean in practical terms? Lightning-fast wireless file transfers, rivaling the speed of a direct cable connection. This could be a great choice for sports and wedding photographers who need to send images to editors in real time. Of course, the big questions on everyone's mind are price and availability. Based on what we're hearing, Canon will likely position the EOS R3 Mark II slightly higher than its predecessor. The original EOS R3 launched at $5,999, and rumors suggest the Mark II might be priced around $6,400 to $6,700. That's a significant investment, but considering the technological advancements, it could be well worth it for professionals who rely on their gear every day. According to the latest news, Canon R3 Mark II will likely be released sometime in 2025. If these rumored specs turn out to be true, the Canon EOS R3 Mark II could represent one of the most significant advancements in professional mirrorless cameras we've seen in years. From higher resolution and global shutter to 8K 60 FPS video, improved connectivity, and longer battery life, Canon might just be setting a new benchmark for professional photography and videography. So, what do you think? Are you as excited as I am about the potential of the R3 Mark II? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more camera news and reviews.